Hello everyone and a huge welcome to Blooming Shanthi English Hub. Are you feeling stuck with your English? Do you dream of speaking clearly, writing confidently, and understanding native speakers? If so, you've found the perfect place. I'm Shanthi, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting English learning adventure. Here on this channel, we believe learning English should be fun, easy, and incredibly effective. We cover everything you need to truly master the language. Vocabulary, will unlock hundreds of new words and phrases so you can express yourself better. Grammar, will break down those tricky grammar rules into simple, understandable lessons, no more confusion. Business email, learn to write professional and impactful emails that impress your colleagues and clients. English through movies, yes, you heard that right. We'll use your favorite films to help you pick up natural English, pronunciation, and slang. Proverbs, discover the wisdom of English proverbs to add depth and understanding to your conversations. Idioms, sound like a native speaker by mastering common and catchy English idioms. My goal is to give you practical tools and confidence to use English in the real world. Whether you're a complete beginner just starting out, or you want to polish your advanced skills, you're absolutely welcome here. So, if you're ready to transform your English and finally achieve your language goals, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new lesson. Tell me in the comments below, what's the one thing about learning English you're most excited to conquer? Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to learn with you. See you in the next video.